Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to see about wedding dental makeover. So we are not so frequent about wedding dental makeover, but we all know how to get ready for our big day by preparing our skin for the makeup by doing 6 months or 4 months course of facial and waxing and manicure, pedicure and everything, right? So similarly we have for dental makeover also. So regarding that only we are going to see in this video. Come, let's go into the video and know what are the dental makeovers are there for our big day. So it's not just the wedding big day, but we all have certain big days in our life, right? So for all these big days, we have a dental makeover which makes your smile look beautiful and perfect. So when it comes to dental smile makeover, we have certain procedures to make it, and you can just get the advice from your consultant and then do 1 or 2 procedures to make or correct your smile and make it beautiful. So come, let's go into the video. The foremost thing we all require is a white bright tooth, right? So each individual have their own color shade of their tooth, and we have procedures for each individual to get their best out of it, and we can do tooth whitening and we can maintain it till your big day. So when it comes to tooth whitening, we have side effects like sensitivity or pain. It may occur, may not occur. So the best thing to avoid all these side effects is we have to do this tooth whitening before 1 or 2 months of your big day, so that we can avoid all the side effects on your big day, and we can maintain it by not smoking or drinking tea, coffee. So we have to avoid things which is going to stain your tooth. So after tooth whitening, we are going to go for veneers. So veneers are something like cap which is going to mask your original tooth. So this is usually used when we have excessive gap between your tooth. We are supposed to go for orthodontic treatment, which will take about 6 months to 1 year minimum to alter your tooth naturally. So when it comes to veneers, it is a quick resulting procedure which gives you a result within weeks, because we are supposed to trim your tooth and we have to take a impression and go for processing of your veneers, and after the veneers comes, we are going to fix it. So it is something like couple of days or weeks. So when it comes to veneers, we can adjust your height, width and even the color of your tooth. So after veneers, we have an option of gum reduction. Like sometimes people have a gummy smile. So when it comes to gums, it is extensively grown and it will mask your original tooth length. So when it comes to gummy procedure, we are supposed to remove your excessive gums from your tooth, which will result in crown lengthening. So we will get the perfect crown length along with the removing of your excessive gingiva. So that will give a beautiful smile when it comes to your big day, and it is a permanent procedure which can be carried out throughout your life, and it is a laser treatment where we are going to remove your excessive gums from your contours. So the next procedure is dental decay. So if at all we have a dental decay in your smile line, we are supposed to use your own tooth color material. We are supposed to avoid metal color or the color brighter than your original tooth, so that we can all bring out a beautiful smile where they cannot differentiate between your decayed tooth and your original tooth. So the next procedure is, if at all we are not having a tooth in your smile line, we can go for bridging or we can go for dental implants, where usually dental implants before and all it takes about 3 to 6 months for your tooth replacement, but now they are giving immediate tooth color cap, so that it's very difficult for others to differentiate between your original tooth and the implanted tooth. So all these procedures are simple procedures. We also have complicated procedures for dental makeover or smile makeover. So when it comes to orthodontic makeover, it minimally take 1 year to 2 years or 3 years to adjust your protruding maxilla or mandible, or protruding tooth correction. All these things require minimum of 1 or 2 years, right? So when it comes to immediate result, we have surgeries where a orthodontist and a surgeon together do this procedure, where they remove your, if at all you have a protruding lower jaw, you can just remove a segment and push it back. So this recovery takes about just a month or two. So all these procedures also comes under makeovers. So you can also, if at all you badly require these procedures to be done, you can go through all these procedures also. We have surgeries, cosmetology surgeries to make your jaw look different or your facial look different, all these things also. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. All these procedures are explained in detail in our further videos.